Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Vivaldi, then just a quick video, just to keep you guys in the loop that the browser has received the weekly security update. And once the update has been applied, the browser version in bold is sitting on 7.9.3970.59. And the Chromium platform 146.0.7680.211, and I think that's been bumped up from 0.203. Now, the update includes the security fixes for the open source Chromium project, which the browser is based on, but unfortunately, as I mentioned with my Google Chrome video earlier today, there is no details and information yet as to what the security update for this week includes. But nonetheless, it is a security patch, so just double check Vivaldi is up to date, because it is your first line of defense, as I always say, on the channel to the online world. And obviously, if that security update does include any zero-day patches, I will repost and let you guys know. But nonetheless, security fixes from the Chromium project are now available. And then over and above the security patch that's rolled out, there's two fixes. The first is a feeds fix, where if you had a single feed, it did not update until you added yet another feed. That's been fixed. And if you are running the browser on Linux, there's a fix for desktop icons where desktop integration icons were not correctly installed or removed for RPM and or Debian. And I think that's on a Linux install. So two fixes rolling out, and then those security patches for Chromium. So Vivaldi, quick to get the security patch for this week, and we are still waiting for Brave and Edge. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.